Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about the calendar section. So the calendar section is accessible from this top menu here. Just hover on the calendars and then you can select whichever one you want to see. So we have NFT drops, Twitter spaces, personal and IRL events. So if we start with NFT drops, we'll have a calendar of the upcoming drops. The data here still needs to be populated. We're working on getting data from various different sources. Some of the drops will be curated by me as well in terms of information on the calendar. So this still needs to come. The next one is Twitter Spaces. Twitter Spaces are curated by me, and we have a weekly calendar with all the main spaces that happen on a daily basis and that have a schedule. So as you can see, if we click on one of these, we will have the schedule of Thursday, and we have all the different spaces that happen on Thursday at different times. These times will be in your own time zone when you open the calendar. So this is why, I have these times right now because I'm in Europe. The Twitter Spaces calendar will get, updated daily. As soon as I find new Twitter Spaces that happen on a regular daily basis, I will add them. And if anyone has a request to add any Twitter Spaces, just open a ticket in our Discord and we'll be happy to review the spaces and see if we can add it to our calendar. So after that, we have the personal calendar. The personal calendar is a calendar, for yourself where you can add whatever you want. It's mainly built for saving whitelists, for example, for upcoming drops that you have so you don't forget. However, you can use it for anything in your daily life, even for writing your shopping list, for example. So to add an event, just press on one of the days and click on Add Event. Here up top, you can choose, by the calendar, and then you can choose the time. For example, 11 a.m., you can write the name of the event, and then you can add any links if you want and save the event. And then our fourth calendar is the IRL events calendar, where I'll be adding all the events that are happening IRL around the globe and that are related to crypto, NFTs, and Web3. I've started putting in a few. They'll have a description, links, location, etc. And they will be visible very soon. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.